Elgato EV Energy Smart Switch. Save time and money with this great smart switch. The home is getting smarter. As we head into the future, we're going to see more and more connected appliances, devices, and so on, and they'll all be able to interact with the rest of your home to deliver a smoother home experience. But what about your old, dumb devices? They're probably not going to gain full smart compatibility soon, but thankfully it's easy to give them smart features. How? With the smart switch, like the Elgato EV Energy Smart Switch. This switch easily integrates with Apple's HomeKit, and if Apple's ecosystem isn't for you, Elgato even offers a multi-platform compatible smart app. Using and installing the Elgato EV Energy Switch is an absolute breeze. It works like any other smart switch out there. Simply plug it into the outlet, then plug the device you want to control into it. You'll then be able to pair the switch with Apple's HomeKit on your iPhone or iPad, which is also very easy to do. Open up the Home app, then hit the little plus button on the top right. Then, you'll hit the Add Accessory button, and scan the included code to add it. Your iPhone should recognize the switch after that. Unlike many other switches, the Elgato EV Energy Switch connects through Bluetooth, not via your Wi-Fi. Despite not being connected to your home network, we found that it was still super responsive and easy to use, and you can't use HomeKit remotely without a hub like Apple TV or iPad set up anyway. The Elgato EV Energy Smart Switch is decently well designed and easy to set up. You will get more out of it with the EV app, which will show things like power usage, but if you don't care about that feature or don't want it, then the switch works perfectly fine with the Apple Home app. Then there's the price. The switch comes in at $49, £44, 85 Australian dollars, which is far from cheap all things considered. In fact, if all you want is a HomeKit-enabled smart switch, and don't really care about the energy monitoring features, then there are better options like the Kugeek Smart Plug, which works with HomeKit, costs significantly less. Kugeek even offers some decent power monitoring features, though it's not as extensive as Elgato's. Still, that's not to say you'll be going wrong if you buy the Elgato EV Energy Switch. It's well designed and easy to use, and helps you track how much energy you're using, which is a very handy feature for those of us out there trying to save the world, and our bank accounts, from sheer destruction.